Welcome to the Polar Bear Challenge update for January 20th. This is going to be mostly a reading of statistics and some other things to go over that Mike Haley and I have been discussing about prizes and categories and so forth. First off, in the number of rides, first place is Navy Thomas 8 with 11 rides. Second place is Mike Haley with 8 rides. Third place is a two-way tie between Lori Jennifer and White Buck 86 with 7 rides each. Fourth place is a three-way tie between Smyrna Cowboy, Red and White Rebel, and Cuca-Ryder, all with 5 rides. Now, as far as categories go, since nobody has actually posted a official Sub-Zero ride, now mine was not official because I'm just going for my 3 rides for the membership. If anybody does post a Sub-Zero ride, that'll be the points breakout because that's 30 points, but otherwise, all of the rides so far, everybody's posted has just been 10 points apiece. So the number of rides and the points pretty much coincide. So if there isn't a breakout and nobody does any Sub-Zero rides, which it's looking more and more like this won't happen in this year's Polar Bear Challenge, we're just going to call that one category. And as far as the prize distribution, there probably will be a lot of winners in multiple categories. For example, maybe you'll win a first place in one category and a third place in another. We're just going to send one prize per individual. We have 12 prizes now available, 6 of them sponsored by Mike Haley and 6 of them by White Buck 86. So a total of 12 prizes, so that means a lot of people can at least win one prize that participated in the Polar Bear Challenge. So we're going to limit it to one prize per person, but it'll count for, you'll still get the statistics for what you won. And if for some reason you would like it confirmed, for example, you would like either me as the judge or Mike Haley to sign your t-shirt or whatever prize you, or suppose you like a coffee mug or something like that, if you want us to sign it and say what place you were in and the statistics and everything like that to do with your ride so that you have yours be individualized, that wouldn't be a problem at all. Just let either one of us know and we'll take care of that for you. I know some people do like individualized prizes. As a matter of fact, I'm going to purchase a Polar Bear mug myself and send it to have Mike Haley sign it because he was the one that created it. But I'm going to, obviously, since I'm not going to win any prizes, I'll have to pay for that out of my own pocket, which everybody's welcome to go to Cafe Press. It's on suburbanryder.ning.com and order any of the Polar Bear stuff yourself. I've also heard that some of the stuff that Mike is going to do for the prizes that he sent out is going to be a little bit more individualized too, so it'll be a little different looking than the stuff you get on Cafe Press, but everybody's welcome to use that. Now, as far as temperatures, we have first place, Navy Thomas 8, with the lowest temperature so far officially recorded 1.4 degrees. Second place is Lori Jennifer with 9 degrees. Third place is Mike Haley with 14 degrees. And fifth place is White Buck 86 with 19 degrees. On miles category, Mike Haley 7 with 239.3 miles, followed very closely by Red and White, speaking like Elmer Fudd, by Red and White Rebel with 237 miles, which to me is pretty close to a tie because I don't think most odometers are accurate to within 2 miles over that big of a range. So we could call that pretty close to a tie. But Red and White Rebel second place, Navy Thomas 8 with 154.3 miles, followed by White Buck 86 with 79 miles. These are the first 4 places in the mileage category. From now on, we discussed too, because a lot of people have joined in the middle, and you might not even be aware, the site to go to for the rules is suburbanryder, that's spelled RIDER.ning.com. But also, as one of the first sets of comments below this video, I'm going to post the entire text to the rules for a ride to be able to count officially so that everybody can look at that and see that. I notice a lot of people do still seem to come to me, not a lot, but a few people come to me with questions about the rules, even this late in the game, so I'm going to start posting them on my update page too. Also, we're going to do a special 3-part series. When I say we, it's actually 90% of it's going to be done by Navy Thomas 8. He's going to actually show us what kind of gear he wears for the weather and also for protection. And this is a very apropos thing because if you check out his latest video, and I'm going to post a link to it, at the 3-minute 30-second mark, he actually, making a turn, goes down. And even though it's dark and you don't get a lot of detail, you can tell definitely that he goes down. As a matter of fact, too, he gets back up again, finishes the ride, and still remembers to give the ending mileage. So he's just something else. But you're going to see a 3-part series from him coming up just shortly after this. I'm going to edit it, put it together, do a little bit of narration, but it's 90% him and his camera operator, Gail, too, give a shout out to her and also in the series. That's about it that I can think of. As usual, if you have any kind of changes, updates, or any information you want to share with me about any of these that you have any questions about, just be sure and contact me. Send me a message through YouTube. Send me a message through the suburbanryder.ning site, or you can always email me at suburbanryder@gmail.com. That's spelled R-I-D-E-R, not R-Y-D-E-R, suburbanryder@gmail.com. And that way, if there's anything I got wrong or anything I missed, you can update it and give me the new information. Thanks a lot. I will catch you guys with a new update next Wednesday.